Hi guys, it's Abigail here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about these waves right here. They are heatless and it is all just a braid. All you need are 2 elastics, wet or damp hair, and a couple of hours for them to set in and you're pretty much good to go. This is my favorite hairstyle to do for every day pretty much, and also special occasions. So if you're interested in creating this look, please keep on watching. So starting off with damp hair, I just got out of the shower here and I just let my hair air dry for a little bit, and now I'm just sectioning it into 2 pieces, and then I take the first top portion of that one side and I section that into 2 pieces, and I just pretty much start twisting it over each other twice. And then the 3rd time I'll take another piece, like as if you were braiding, and then twist it over the other one, and then so forth. So it's just kind of easier for me to kind of show it to you rather than explain it. But I hope that you can get the gist of how this twist braid happens. It's very simple. All you do is just take extra pieces and just kind of twist it onto the other portion, and you just work your way down the braid. So I'm just gonna go let the video speak for itself, and hopefully you guys can pick up on what I'm doing, because I can't explain it very well. So yeah. So I'll probably fix some stuff that's pulling, and then just make it more comfortable, and then just go to bed. Okay, so when I wake up in the morning, I pretty much keep the braid on. Sometimes it's still a little bit damp, so I like to kind of just let it sink in a little bit longer, and I get ready, put on my makeup, throw on my clothes, and then I take the braid off. That's the last thing I do. If it is still a little bit damp, I'll go ahead and maybe sometimes use a blow dryer to kind of dry it a little bit more. That's pretty much it for what I do. Don't get discouraged when the waves don't turn out the way that you want. I did have a lot of trial and error with this. Sometimes some of the waves won't be as like wavy as some parts, and it just doesn't look quite right. So you kind of just have to be patient, and you kind of learn some new hairstyles too when you are trying to fix like pieces of like your hair that didn't turn out the way that you wanted to. So be patient, keep exploring and playing with it, and you will get the curl that you like, and pretty much it becomes second nature to you. I have been doing this technique for a couple years now, and sometimes the curls is not what I wanted, so I end up just putting my hair up or doing a half up, half down hairstyle. So you know, it's not all that bad. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this and found it helpful. Let me know how your braids turn out, or if you have any other heatless techniques that you guys do. Please let me know. I would like to try them out as well. And I guess that's it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye.